Hello friends, welcome to Swansea's tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about services. Sometimes it happens when we require a common function or a common block of code to be used throughout our application. In that scenario, it is not a good practice to code it many times. So what we can do is, we can create a service and we'll put the common code there and we will use it in our different components. So let's go through the introduction. Like this is common thing what I have told. That's only like for this we can create a service which will keep the common code, and that code we will run in different components. Okay, so never like waste the time, and let's go to the practical. So before practical, I would like to tell you the steps. So first step is you need to create a service. So I will recommend you to always use commands, ng commands. So that is nggs, that means ng generate services, then the service name any you can give. Okay, so once your service is created, you need to import it into your module, or you need to declare it. Why declaration is required? Because in Angular we need to inject your service class. Okay, so service class is an injectable class that you need to inject in your component if you want to use the service class codes. Okay, so in module file you need to put it into declaration, and this is the class which we will generate in the service class. Okay, that you need to copy paste here. So two steps. Then in the next step, you need to import this class into your component file, and you need to create an instance to use it. So let's start with this. I'm opening my okay, this is StackBridge. So what we'll do is, I want to create an application, you can add common function, so I can use it here. Okay, in my component. So if I'll go here and deleting this common, okay, now we'll create it. Okay, fine. So let's do one thing. Here I have a creator, so I will use it, but in real time you need to use the command. So I'm creating like data. I need to use it as a data. So you can see my data service is generated. You can see there is an injectable decorator. That means if you want to use this functionality, you need to inject this class. And inject only can be happen through providers, which we use in COM model. So here I'm writing a function, a common function, just like x. I'm defining any equals to and from service. So I need to use this common variable in the my component. Okay, so I need to create a function get serve, and here I'm just returning x. Okay, fine. So I will call this function from anywhere in the component. So for now I'm going to use only from one component. You can use it from anywhere, but there is a process to use. Fine, so my service is ready. Now if you go to module, you can find it is automatically imported, but when you are working you need to import it. Import data services. Data services is the class, you can see here, and also it has added to providers. Okay, so injectable only can be used when you are adding a providers. Okay, so first step is done, or first two steps are done. Okay, now I'm going to create in component file so that we can use it. Import the service file. So this is my file. I'm going to import. What was the name? The name was this data services. Let's copy, paste it here from data.service. Okay. So this is imported. Now we need to use constructor to create the instance of that particular class. Otherwise you can't create or use the functionality. So I'm creating private service object of data service. Okay, this is the class, okay, which we are going to use it. Fine. Now I can call the functionality which are in my service file through this object. Okay, so let me create a function which will call that functionality from our service class. Okay, I can also call ng on init, but it's better to show you. Okay, click and I'm putting get it is the function, and also I'm going to create a variable to show the that will be data. Okay, so let's create this function data. Okay, now sorry, I need to create it outside. Okay, and I also need to create a variable. Fine. Now here what I need to do is I need to do this dot data equals to this dot the service object you need to call. Now you can call the function that is get. What is the function name? We have get sub, right? So we can call it here. That's it. Now if I click, I can able to see it. Okay, so oops, sorry. So I need to write something here. Click. Fine. So if I click here, I should see my data which is from service file. So this is calling. So this is how we are using. In other chapters or the next chapters, we'll see how we can use it for HTTP services. Okay, so this is common file. You can import, you can create an object of the instance, and we can use it. Okay, thank you.